Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing precisely. Install the Nugget iOS app and sign in with your Apple ID or create a Nugget account if you don't have one. Once done, enable Bluetooth and grant location permissions so the app can discover hardware. Next, charge the Nugget device to at least 30% and power it on. Make sure its LED indicates pairing mode. Finally, open the app and tap Add Device to begin the secure handoff process. You'll pair and configure the Nugget now. When the app lists the device, tap it and verify the numeric pairing code shown on both screens. After pairing, configure Wi-Fi credentials, choose a clear profile name, and adjust privacy settings. This ensures predictable behavior and correct network routing. If the app prompts for a firmware update, apply it, updates fix bugs, and add compatibility. Once updates finish, review advanced options, and you finish by validating everything. Run the onboarding test inside the app to confirm connectivity, sensors, and features work as expected. If something fails, reboot the Nugget and restart the app. Reconnect via pairing and re-enter Wi-Fi if needed. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and network are stable. If issues persist, perform a factory reset from the device menu, then repeat setup. This clears corrupted states. One key tip: if pairing repeatedly times out, move the devices closer and disable VPNs or hotspots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.